Welcome back to another video. We're going to show you a solution to a very simple problem. So right now I'm using a Klein Circuit Finder. This is the ET310 model. I'll drop a link below where you can get that. So when you're by yourself working, it is a pain to try figuring out which circuits are where. Maybe you didn't have it marked on your box correctly or what have you. In this case, I'm in a basement, and if I have to go up on the second floor to just keep testing it without a tester, I might take 20 trips till I finally find the correct circuit. With this here, you have multiple options. Like right now, I need to remove some wiring that's connected to this light. I'm going to show you how that's connected. There's a piece that connects to the end here. You can either plug it into an outlet, or they make an adapter that you can screw into a light bulb. That way you can tell which one's the light bulb, mark the circuit, shut it off, whatever you have to do. So let's turn around and check this out. Okay, so right now there's a piece that screws into the light bulb where the light bulb would go. There's an adapter because this bottom section is 3-prong. And you can also, it's a little bit hard to see right now. Let me get my light on. But like I have just a yellow, which is showing an open ground, which this is older wiring, so that's correct. I don't believe there is a ground on this. So right now that's lit up. I have the power on over here on the wall. So let's go over here and then we'll find the circuit. We'll show you how easy this is. So we got the box open. All you do, you have a battery that's in here. The other piece is obviously charged by the house. Press that, you'll see it's going green. You hear it sounding off. Go through all these. See how that's sped up? That doesn't mean anything. Again, go through all these first. They'll start to detect the signal. See how that stayed green? That's staying green even though it's making a faster sound. So you have to go back and forth a couple times, but that one's flashing red. That means that's going to be the correct one. So even though that's sounding louder, it's staying green, which isn't the correct one. As soon as you come to the right one, it's going to do that. Shut that off. Come back over and then just press this back in. Press and hold, that'll shut it off. It's really that simple. You just take your time in the box and you can see the light's off now because we just shut off that circuit. So let me go ahead and take this out and then I'll show you the other part. Okay, so this part here just plugs in there so you don't lose it. As soon as you put this into your outlet, right away that's what's going to power it. And if you're just testing circuits, like right now with the two yellows, if you look at the top, it's really hard to see there, but that means correct wiring. But there's different scenarios all on here, that way you know if you have like an open neutral or whatever the case may be, it'll tell you. But here we're just trying to find the circuit. So pretend that's up on the second floor. Instead of walking up a million times, simply plug that in. You see there's power onto it. Come over here, turn it on. Again, just go through this because you're going to get like some false beeps the first time around. And then as you come back through, go slower. So right there, see how that sounded? The first time it didn't pick it up, but the second time around, as soon as you start seeing that red, that's how you know it's the correct one. So you go to that one, it's just showing green, blinking faster or making a sound faster, but that's not it. That's the one we shut off previously. So if we're coming up this way, we know that's the one. Shut that off. And you can see our power is now off on there. So you know that's the correct one. Turn that back on. It's really that easy. I just wanted to show you both a light bulb and a wall socket. How easy it, if you're working on your house, doing a project or whatever, it's definitely worthwhile grabbing one of these. Makes it nice and easy. The end piece, like I said, it just plugs right in there so you never lose it. This part in the front here takes a battery, which they come with, and then you can hurry up and find your circuit and get to work instead of taking a million laps up and down your steps, because we know how fun that is. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Lots more videos to come. See you on the next one.